And I'd like to say a huge welcome to you all. Are you excited?
This STEAM Festival has been a wonderful opportunity to join schools from all across Europe. We have 10 schools here this weekend to collaborate, make new friends, as well as get involved in projects.
They've been using coding, they've been building and creating sustainable housing, electric cars, solar cars, and it's been a wonderful experience.
We've been learning about hydrogen, and we were playing with a hydrogen car, and then we made our own hydrogen. And then right now we're building powering a fan with solar energy.
My favorite workshop right now has been the sustainable cities and communities.
My favorite workshop was this one with the spheros because I love programming robots and it linked to the global goal climate action.
I learned how to communicate and collaborate with people all across Europe, even though our differences in schools and even if we haven't really met each other. It was really fun.
Together, they've worked to solve real-life problems, all linking to the Sustainable Development Goals, making for a better today and a better tomorrow for our Earth.